Alright. Try this again.
No, not like that. The other way. Push it down. No! Hey. You got me? You got me? Put it on the roof.
This ain't so good.
Keep it on.
Why am I keeping this on? I'm gonna put this on YouTube as Ripstick Magic. Yeah, that's a good idea.
No, just put it on the ripstick trick.
That's kind of cool. I'm gonna jump in.
Jump on now.
You got 2 more times, then I'm gonna jump in. Alright.
This one out, this one.
Alright.
Hop on. Which one you getting on? I'm about to videotape you riding. Now I'm videotaping you, right? Jump.